EXCELSIOR, a first-of-its-kind web application, is engineered to provide optimum efficiency and accuracy during collection and interpretation of clinical trial data. EXCELSIOR uses a cloud-based architecture so that trial data is accessible from any web browser, where it can be tracked, analyzed, and graded by the researchers and clinicians in the iCore Reading Center. By allowing access only to authorized users, the system ensures that clinical data is secure and generates an audit trail for every activity. After logging in and selecting a trial, project status is clearly presented using an easy-to-understand chart. The display offers a real-time indication of the progression of data through each workflow stage: uploading, quality analysis, grading, verifying, and completion. This is especially helpful for sponsors gauging trial progress. The dashboard also presents the certification status of ophthalmic images, clinicians, technicians, and equipment. In this view, there are technicians and equipment pending certification, and also technicians and equipment that have already been certified. Detailed information about each trial is available by clicking. For example, equipment that is still waiting to be certified. EXCELSIOR provides performance monitoring by recording the actual time spent during each stage of a trial and tracks it against a target time. By selecting one and comparing it to the target time, any lag in the project is immediately obvious. EXCELSIOR provides an intuitive and efficient workflow that guides your data through each step of the evaluation process: upload, check-in, grade, verify, and complete. Upload. Once an imaging facility has been certified, a patient enrolled, and their data captured, the next step is uploading the trial data into EXCELSIOR's upload pool. In most cases, data is uploaded by ophthalmic technicians or site coordinators from a clinical site. Check-in. The data quality evaluators at the iCore Reading Center validate data waiting in the upload pool. In addition to assessing each image, clinicians also review trial data attributes like patient randomized ID, time point, study eye, etc., to ensure the accuracy of captured data before submitting it to the grading pool. If the evaluators detect a discrepancy or inadequacy, a data query is issued to the clinical site to request resubmission of the data. Grade. EXCELSIOR's custom image viewer is specifically configured for graders and ophthalmologists reviewing fundus images, OCT, and other ophthalmic data in the grading pool. In this example of a color fundus image, we can quickly navigate from one image to the next using the thumbnails. A drop-down menu makes it straightforward to grade both the left and right sides. It is easy to determine if a particular morphologic abnormality is absent, questionable, or definite. For example, in diabetic retinopathy cases, microaneurysm, papillary swelling, hemorrhage, photocoagulation, and choices for other abnormalities are readily identifiable. EXCELSIOR also provides a suite of image enhancement tools that are optimized for ophthalmic grading. You can zoom, adjust brightness and contrast, and view different color channels. Verify and complete. After completing the grading process, the grader's conclusions are usually quality checked by an ophthalmologist or a senior grader to ensure a consistent and error-free result. Then, grading data is finalized in the system, and its status is now completed. If desired, study sponsors can log in and view completed images and other trial data. Viewing and evaluating data from different ophthalmic instruments. EXCELSIOR converts all ophthalmic image data to the Diacom standard, establishing a framework where multiple image modalities can be reviewed and analyzed within the same platform. This includes fluorescein angiography, different from color fundus photos, optical coherence tomography, which presents three-dimensional cross-sectional views of the retina, and other ophthalmic modalities such as visual field and electroretinogram. All of these modalities provide complementary information to graders and clinicians. From acquisition to final analysis, EXCELSIOR is specifically geared toward meeting the demands of ophthalmic clinical trials. EXCELSIOR leverages its web-based architecture, an intuitive workflow with a custom tool set, and an in-house network of highly skilled clinicians to provide faster, more accurate results across multiple test modalities in an accessible and transparent way. EXCELSIOR is the most streamlined and comprehensive software available to help ensure the successful analysis of your ophthalmic clinical trial data.